Turtlenecks are a thing of the past. Be the best gift giver this year for your family and friends. Happy holidays from Woodworker Express. Today we have a brand new gift idea just for you. Today's gift idea is bread. Actually, it's a bread box cover kit for your kitchen cabinet drawer. The Rev-A-Shelf bread box cover is awesome. Available in multiple colors and a breeze to install. All you need to do is order a bread box cover kit that's a little bit bigger or just bigger than the drawer in general and use a utility knife to cut it to size. Anyone with a kitchen will be truly satisfied with this gift because now they can get their bread off of the counter and keep it fresh. Every time they open up that drawer and pull out their bread, they will be thinking of you. PB&J's never looked so good. Woodworker Express, be the best gift giver you can be.